Uh, Welcome to African Village Life. We are cooking village food. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mugo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Today, we are cooking traditional village food for dinner. Fold of ears. They are called fold of ears. In our nature language, we call it Gojamato in Embu language. Wow. Welcome as we cook together with my granny here. Today, my granny is the one who is showing me how to cook traditional food. Let us enjoy together. Welcome. Kindly, if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Wow. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment. We are 580 subscribers, way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Wow, straight away, our recipe: hal, potatoes, tomatoes, green vegetables, maize flour, onions, and oil. Remember, in our African village life, we use firewood for cooking. We use 3 stones for cooking. Our sufuria are black in color outside. In the nature life, we stay a simple life. Welcome. Those are green vegetables. We cut manually. We cut our green vegetables like that. We peel our tomatoes. Then we cut tomatoes into pieces, onions into pieces. Then we peel our potatoes. Wow. We have already boiled our beans in the other day. The beans have not boiled. We have not boiled the beans today. We boiled our beans yesterday. So our beans are already cooked. Wow. This is village food. Very nutritious, very healthy food in the village. We use firewood. Those are firewood. Thank you for continued support. Could not have made it except you. Wow, those are our recipe. Beans, rende beans, boiled beans, potatoes, maize flour, oil, salt, tomatoes and onions, green veggies. Wow. We are cooking food for dinner. Welcome. Let me know in the comment section, how do you cook this village food in your country? We cook like that in the nature villages of Kenya. Straight away, we start by adding oil to the sufuria. Adding oil. Wow. Nature life. Simple life. Welcome. That's more mixed. Welcome. Welcome to my channel. This is Ella. Wow, we add onions. After adding oil, we add onions. We cook our onions until they are golden brown. Until they are golden brown. Then we add tomatoes. We add potatoes respectively. Those are potatoes. We add salt. Wow. Then we add green vegetables. We cook green vegetables and potatoes for 30 minutes. Wow, we cover them and we cook for 30 minutes. While the food is in the other side, we continue washing our utensils. Wow. The food, those veggies are ready. Then we had ready beans. Ready boiled beans. Remember, an African mom have to taste the food, whether the salt is enough or not. Wow, the salt is good. Then we add beans. Remember, we boiled the beans in the other day. Wow, we had beans. Wow. We add beans like that. I was taught how to cook this food of years by my grandmother. So, I have to practice how to cook it. Then I will call her to come. Then we had water to come and see whether I have cooked perfectly like my grandma. Wow, we add water. Then after the water boils, we add maize flour. We add maize flour. The maize flour is not enough. We add maize flour and then we cook like ugari. We add maize flour like that. We add maize flour like that. We cook those foods together. Maize flour, beans, potatoes, and green veggies together. So we have to add our flour respectively, small by small, until it is hard, until the food comes like what we expected. Wow. I was taught to cook this food by my grandmother, so I have to practice, and I will call her. She will come and serve us and see whether I have cooked like what she taught me. Thank you, my grandma. This is an African food. In our nature language, we call it ngojamato. Thank you. We are cooking the food for dinner. Wow, this is an African mom. Wow. Wow, you can see the food. How delicious they are in the sufuria, and yet we have not eaten. Wow, African village life. African food, nature life. In Africa, we stay a simple life. Remember, everything we cook, we get it from our shamba. Wow, those are banana leaves. We use banana leaves. When the food is ready, we will use banana leaf for serving. Wow. Wow. Tia kwaria no kore kondo. Wow, the food is ready. You can see how delicious it is. Wow. Wow. The food is ready. My grandma has come. Let us enjoy the food together. She told me, congratulations, I have done well. The food is ready. Let us enjoy it. Welcome and welcome back again. Remember, we are located at Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Let me know in your village, how do you cook those foods? In the comment section. Comment. Like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for supporting me. We are now 580 subscribers. Way to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe. You can see how my grandma, wow, showing me how the food was kept on those days. Wow, the food is ready. Welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. The food is ready. Wow. The food is ready. Wow. Wow, you can see how my grandma is showing me. After cooking, you have to remove all the food in a sufuria. Then you continue tasting whether the food is good before serving people. You have to taste the food. Wow. This is my grandma. She is still alive, showing me how to cook traditional village food for dinner. Wow, yummy, delicious. Welcome, we eat together. Let me know in the comment section. Wow, he shows me after cooking you have to add that sufuria water. You have to wash mwiko, tunaita mwiko. In our language we call it mwiko. Hii ya kukima, hii ya kumash, sijui inaitwaje. Mwiko. After that you have to wash mwiko, and that sufuria you have to add water. That is my grandma showing me. So I have to see well. Wow, she is the one who is showing me how to cook this traditional food. Thank you, my grandma. Enjoying to cook with you together. Wow. Wow. You will serve the food respectively, and she will serve us. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, comment to support my channel. To support my channel, my number is 07 10 622 945. That is my number. My number is 0 on my bio. you can support us so that we grow our channel together. I'm new to YouTube. I'm trying my best. Thank you so much. I'm not good in English, but I'm trying my best. Thank you so much, my granny, for serving the food respectfully. You have to hand small by small, then the small one you had, so that everyone will be satisfied with the serving. No one will say my food was small, my food was big. That is the life in the nature language, in the nature life in the village. We are located in Hembu County, Kenya, Africa. Thank you, Granny. We have to be served and we enjoy the food. Remember, in the village life, we use our hands to eat the food. There is no spoons in the village. You have to use your hand and enjoy the dinner food. Wow, delicious. Wow, wow. Thank you so much, my granny. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.